Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign out of your Cooking Craze account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign out of your Cooking Craze account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Cooking Craze application. The home page of Cooking Craze application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on Sign Out option. Confirm signing out of your account by tapping on Sign Out once again. It will log you out of your Cooking Craze account in no time. This is how you can sign out of your Cooking Craze account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.